After Nvidia's earnings last night, the stock ends up closing completely flat today, which sucks for anybody who obviously traded options. If you don't know what implied volatility crush is, you probably learned about it today. And we do have an option simplified course, which I highly recommend you guys check out. The full course library for all of our free courses will be down in the description. But in this video, we're going to go over Nvidia. We're going to talk about the daily price action. We're going to go over why I'm still bullish for the moment on Nvidia and why it's looking like there's a chance for price to move back up to $155, $160, and $165 as long as something very important continues to hold steady. Now let's take a look first at the daily chart, and you're going to see the only indicator that I have up is the BX trender. The BX trender is this indicator or oscillator at the bottom of your screen. It is a completely free indicator that I use on TrendSpider as well as TradingView. If you guys want access to how to use this indicator as well as how I've made over $3.8 million this year using this, you can get access to the free course going over the BX trender in the description. Now, what I'm normally looking for is price to bounce off of a support level, and we're waiting for the BX trender to flip from red to green. Looking at an example back here on August 8th, you can see price bounces 20%. We would have walked away with a solid profit there. BX trender flips from green to red. This means we are no longer looking to go long. We let price sell off about 20%. Enter again on September 10th. Take a profit of 7%, very small loss of 0.22%. Then we take a 7% profit and a 1% loss. Price pulls back in the beginning of November, finds a support at 135, and as buying pressure starts to come back in, we would have entered right here at 137.43. Price pushes up into an equal high. Then we get a closure, or no longer here would we be bullish because we get that flip from green to red. Price pulls back, bounces off $138.25. And now the BX trender on the daily is completely flipped green. And in most cases, like we've seen back here before, price will look to move its way back up into a higher high. So this means that Nvidia could move its way back up to $160 as long as the BX trender continues to make higher highs and the SMA continues to hold green. The one thing that I'm not a fan of, which we've talked about a lot in these week's videos and coverage of Nvidia, is the fact that the BX trender on the weekly is currently red. Something that I like to see is the daily and the weekly moving in conjunction with each other. You can see we've had multiple weeks price sold off or compressed before bouncing into another expansion, or price just drastically sold off 20% before finding a bottom. In either example, neither of them are situations or environments in which you would want to be trading to the upside, which is why I'm hesitant to be extremely bullish on Nvidia at this point. I'll continue to monitor this situation, and I think that at the best case here, I'd be looking to actually just focus on selling cash secured puts all the way up into that price target, selling this week for maybe $140 or $137. If you want to get access to all of our free courses, the link is in the description. And if you want to learn my two-step trading system from me directly and get access to all of my real-time trade alerts, you can join our Discord community. The link is in the description. We focus on making trading as simple and easy as possible. We focus on following a proven system that requires only 30 minutes per day to put towards the computer right before market close. Our entire system is built for people who have full-time jobs because it doesn't matter how great of a trading system you have if you have to be in front of the computer all day and you can't do that. The link to our private academy will be down in the description. We have a pre-Black Friday sale where you can use the code MARKET10 to try it out for $10 your first month to make sure that it fits your lifestyle. Thanks for all the support, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.